Hi, this is Luke, and these are the kits and sounds of state-of-the-art SDX from Toontrack. This is an expansion for Superior Drummer 3, and it features 7 kits recorded in 3 spaces at Clubhouse Recording Studios by Grammy Award-winning engineer Elliot Scheiner. Now, because this is running inside Superior Drummer 3, I get all of the regular goodies, such as the tracker, so I can do drum replacement, and a comprehensive mixer as well, which means that I can mix my drums directly inside the instrument without having to undertake complicated routing out into the DAW, although that is available if I do wish to use my DAW's tools. And just like all of Toontrack's SDX expansions for Superior Drummer 3, I get the great drum sounds, but I also get tons of bundled MIDI to add to my collection. So I've got all of my existing expansions in the side pane here, and in State of the Art, I get a load more to choose from. As well as MIDI that is tailor-made for some of the brush sounds that I get with state-of-the-art SDX. And a whole host of wire-off sounds are included as well in state-of-the-art SDX. And as well as the 7 kits, all of the MIDI and mix presets from Elliot Scheiner. State-of-the-art SDX also comes with alternative kick and snare presets as well, with additional instruments. For more info on state-of-the-art SDX and to find out what we think about it, head over to the Production Expert blog.